everyone, my name is Mariana Shimabukuro. I'm a computer science professor here at Ontario Tech, and my research is related to human-AI interaction and educational technology. That's a good question. I've always enjoyed problem solving and designing solutions, even inventing small contraptions. And I felt that programming and computer science was the perfect outlet for me to develop those skills. Nowadays, I think that coding is more a form of art and expression, but computer science is actually much more than just coding. It's a way to build solutions and shape society with technology. So what excites me the most about computer science is that it can build tools to help people and empower them in their own fields and disciplines. I see programming as a language to communicate with computers, and computers are great tools to not just evolve computer science as a field, but to allow people in their own disciplines to solve their own problems. When I came to Ontario Tech specifically because I saw that at the time the university was still quite young, and I felt like the program was small and in a good way, where we have a close knit of people, and that was the kind of environment that I wanted for myself. The atmosphere and the environment ended up being very good for me as an international student, and I felt very welcomed, and that's what also made me want to come back later for my grad studies, and nowadays I made the transition into being a faculty member myself. One thing that I find very interesting about technology is that as it evolves, we end up inventing things to make people's lives easier. For example, having emails, feeling like we can reduce the number of meetings, but then it also brought like different expectations for you having to answer emails like at all times. And another example would be smartphones having, okay, this will give you more flexibility on when to finish your work, but instead end up being like a blur between people's personal and work life. So I think when it comes to AI, we are in a similar position where it will make our life easier in many, many ways, and will change how we do things. We'll also create newer problems that we didn't have. So problems because AI exists. So I think particularly for computer science, we have the AI or LLMs. They are very good at generating some code, which is a positive thing where more people can code and it lowers the entrance barrier to coding itself. On the other hand, for computer science, we were going to have to start shifting education, such as our students are very good at fundamentals. So the question is critical thinking, computational thinking, design of the systems themselves. And the most important of it all is to understand that everything we design, we're designing for humans. So computer scientists will be needing to have the skill of empathy and understand how their systems are going to be impacting real people and how to evaluate those metrics the AI produces, such as the people that don't have as much of a strong technical background will be able to understand and apply those systems effectively. My research is related to human-AI interaction and educational applications. So the goal is to build interactive systems that leverage AI to improve learning. Most recently, my projects are related to personalized feedback that could be in coding or language learning experiences that are catered to the learner's own context and experiences. Here at VIA Lab, we work with visualization and interaction design. In here, we collaborate with the faculty, students, undergrad and grad students, and we are bridging visualization with AI and interaction. We're building systems that can make information more meaningful and to empower the final users of that data. Community and mentorship is very important for computer science students, actually for students in general. That matters because they should feel like they belong, not just in the classroom, but in the field that they're studying to become professionals at. What makes me excited about being involved with ACMW is because it feels like we've created a very inclusive and welcoming space for minorities in our program, particularly women. We do that by promoting a series of events, mentorship, and networking opportunities for the students to come, and sometimes all they need is to be heard and seen. Thank you for watching. I hope you got to know a little bit more about computer science as a field, and if you're more interested in our program and you want to know more, please go to our program's website.